Hello everyone, minasan konnichiwa. I'm going to my apartment from Gose. I just stopped here for grocery shopping at LAMU. LAMU is 24-hour open store, and it will be found everywhere in NARA. So we have to stop before crossing this railway line. Now the camera stand is more stable than before. What do you think? So this is another Temori, so we have to another stop. So in Japan you can see this is ethically, so everyone has want to give another person a path that you can go first. There is no hurry, so everyone has to wait. We're driving in Japan. It's very smooth, but it's also very difficult sometimes. In countryside it's easy, but in like metropolitan cities like Osaka, Tokyo, it's very difficult. Another Tomori, so we have to stop here for 3 seconds. Look left and right. Okay, then another scooty come here, so I have to stop one more time. Okay, now let's go. This is the very big factory of Sharp company in NARA. There's two Sharp company I have seen, one in Gose and one in another. I don't remember its exactly name. Maybe it's near, not near, but little near NARA Park. Not very little. So today's weather is pleasant, and in the morning it was sunny. Now it's rainy. By the way, what weather do you like? I like cloudy and sometime rainy. How about you? Okay, so one more time I have to wait and give the path to another person. Okay, let's go. The plus sign shows that this way is a 4-way road. Very narrow path. Sometimes it's difficult to cross 2 vehicles in a time. Something happening. I see something. Oh yes, they are cleaning. As a volunteer, I think. And look at that. Another vehicle is stopping to give the path to me. Thank you very much. voluntary work to clean this street, maybe from the government, I don't know. Not very good. So it's around 5:27 p.m. It's Friday today. Another vehicle coming and maybe this stop. Thank you very much. Arigatou gozaimasu. And the signal is stop. Red light. Danger. Okay, stop. So NARA is surrounded by trees, mountains, hills, a river. It's a beautiful prefecture of Japan, but it's very limited or less population. It's a very peaceful life here than the other prefecture of Japan, especially Osaka and Tokyo. Okay, another four-way road, so I want to give a path for this. And she said, thank you very much. You are welcome. A big queue of busy traffic is jammed here. A very long queue. Okay, we have to wait here. Okay, it's time to go. Well, another stop. Slowly, yukri. Still waiting. I don't know why today is traffic is very jam. I don't know. Clear. Okay, this. Okay, another beep. You cannot cross while the bell is ring. You cannot cross. So that's why we have to stop at least 3 seconds to cross the railway line. It will also show the direction of train. It's a very small train. Finish. Okay, this. It's a long day today. So I go to straight. Okay, this. Let's go. This is a trekking area beside this path. Cycling and trekking. You can walk, you can run, and you can ride a bicycle here. It's a very limited time here. The signal is very low duration, so it can be no. Oh, I did it. So I'm almost to my apartment. It's more than maybe 10 minutes or maybe 7 minutes. I will be reached my apartment. So that's all for today. See you next time in different route, but in NARA. See you. Take care.